Today's video is for three types of people. One is the one who bought Newly Watchbee and wants to take care of it. Then there are those who have to change the machine. And the third are those who are learning the work of pairing, which is good for all three types of audience. First, I will disassemble it. I'll go back to the page, okay? Set the needles, then after this video, you will become a master of renewing this watch of any kind. If you are new to the channel, subscribe. If you have any questions after watching and completing the video, let me know in the comments. Like me and the video so that other people can also benefit from it. Well, this watch is an old model that I have. What do you have to do first? Any type of boss you have to support, you have to open the page. After opening it, you have to extract such a file, and this is the part that we do not need. Now we have carefully placed it on the side. See, if you are also coming to this, then different watches are different. Open as you have dug, you will close as you open it. Okay, this has come. We have the clock, so there are three parts of this clock. One of these Sawyer is one which is attached like a nut. And one is this machine, and all three are connected. First of all, we will remove its needles. Then we remove the needles like this. This curved boat has to be removed from the center. Well, this is its second hand. This is the minute hand. And this has come. You can also do this dance with the help of the last one. You can also move with its help by tightening two pages. For this there is a normal tool review normally. This is a tool that is normally used. Okay, so you have to hold it like this and move it. It's so simple, it's okay. It has to be moved. It just needs to be done a little bit. The machine is fine. Then there is this thing that holds on top of it. And this is the ring. We have to push it down. This ring is tighter than them. Make sure you don't lose the ring. It has been fixed. It will become dry and you should not lose it. Well, it turned out like this. It was a little dirty, so I cleaned it. It is fine. So now it is taken. It is taken. You have to take special care of it. Well, we have to put it back into AC. Well, this is the machine. It has been repaired. It has been damaged. It is not running. We have to throw it away. It is not repaired. Well, this is what it is. Now this is the second new machine to repair it. We have to add it in the same way. First I will clean it up a little bit. This is just to show you, okay, clean it up. If it is broken from here, then you will fix it in front of the tape ship. Then you have to line it up according to this 12, straight to each other, absolutely straight. Well, you will see this 12 and this page is above it. If your page is without one, then there is no problem. What is the line to take? According to exactly the level, so that you have to put it back in it. Then there are two of them. One is plain, one is slightly raised. It is raised, it has to be placed above you. You have to turn it like a nut. And this is our machine. Well, if you have to make a little adjustment, then you can move from here. So, this is a small amount of ours, 40/40. Well, this is our machine for which you have come here, which is the most important work. Then first of all you have to remember its fate. This is called HMS Horse. Net and schemes are fine. First of all we need the Owly needle. You adopted the Owly needle on the 12th seat and make the feedback in such a way that the needle is not straight and crooked. We will do it later. After that comes minute, hour, minute. Okay. You also have to try it in the same way. It must not seem to fit together. You are fine. then apply it. And that's our basic premise. Now we have to do its setting. So first of all, you have to make sure that this needle is visible. It should not be seen. You are a little too delicate for this. We will raise it a little bit and lower the minute hand a little bit. Look. Now a little setting has been done. Okay. Now make sure the minute hand of the hour hand is not attached to the hour hand. Okay. There is a little bit of a gap. There is such a gap from the minimum minute. So what do you have to do? You have to rotate it for a whole hour and see that it does not look together, and by doing this you are fine to see. There is no cell yet. Well, now you have to do it till this point. It is easy when you have to keep the mirror, yet we have to make sure that the second hand does not look on the mirror. That if it feels like, it will feel strong. If it is hard, this time we'll go back. When people see new watches, they are mistaken. Those who fit it normally, then time goes back again and again, and the customer does not understand what is the problem with it. And there is another issue. In it there is the soothing of the watch. If it is heavy, then a new machine is also added. The time is going backwards in it too, for that the needles also have to be changed. Try with the machine. If you go to the market, you can go with the new machine, along with the needles. Needles don't cost much. Yes, yes. Now we put cell in it. We put cell in it. And this is our link. After fitting this link, you have to put it somewhere. Not close it. Keep it somewhere for 12 hours. After setting the time, so that you know after 12 hours that its time is not getting worse. So whenever I take the customer for repair, I tell him that we are next day because I set it. Then it is set within 10 minutes. And then we stay and check it for 12 hours. There is no issue in it. It is not bad either. Yes, okay, Soya is set. Soya is not heavy. Time is giving you right. You have to keep notes on these things. Then let me give you my video of this. If you have benefited from that, then now you have to like the video and subscribe to the channel for a good video, so that the work that you can do yourself is not done by paying the market money.